Are you a go-getter? Are you someone who is self-motivated and you've been looking for ways to make money online? Well, stick around, watch this video to the end. I'm going to share with you 3 things that you got to do if you want to be successful in an online business. Step number 1, find MRR products. MRR is Master Resale Right products. What does that do for you? That allows you to be able to sell those products. They're done for you. You can sell them immediately for 100% profit. So that's the first thing you need to do. Second thing you need to do is you need to be coachable. And the reason you need to be coachable is because chances are you probably don't know everything there is about digital marketing. However, there are tips and tricks and things that you can learn, and I'd be glad to send you over some information on how you can be more productive in the digital space. Number 3, you want to be consistent. You want to be consistent with every day getting up, putting together content that's going to speak to your customer, that's going to solve a problem. So if you're looking to start your own online business, click on my bio, click the link, cognitive income. Why is it cognitive? Because that means it's deliberate. You are deliberately making income online. And as always, be blessed, not stressed.